Here's something that to me is very fun about English. In English, the two O's together, two O's together make a sound like ooh, a little bit like you, ooh, ooh, uh, ooh, ooh. But there are two slightly different sounds in it. One is for book, book, and the other is ooh, ooh, like in moon, moon. So different sounds. So let's give it a shot. All right, let's go on and see if we can do it. Here we go. So this says the letters O together make two different sounds. So here is the word book. And the sound is like this. This is the mouth. It's more relaxed. It's like book, 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 book. And this is the sound, different sound, ooh, ooh. And look at my mouth. My mouth is rounder, ooh, ooh. And it makes the sound of moon, moon. So one is book. The first one is book, and the other one is moon, ooh. And it's almost like a long vowel sound. You can make it longer, right? Ooh, is really hard. Book, it's kind of short. Kind of, but ooh, ooh, moon, you can stretch it out. So the one on the left is book, book, and the one on the right is moon, moon. Okay, let's see if we can do it. You're just going to say the words after me. This is called the short ooh, the short double O, and this is like as in book, 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 or foot, foot, or look, look, These are all Let's say the short O. Let's say the book sound. Listen and say it right after me. Book, book, oh, oh, oh. Foot, 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 look, 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 Do you hear the difference? Oh, no, there's no difference here. They're all the same. Book, foot, look, One more time. Again. Book, foot, look. It's kind of short and relaxed. All right. That's the short double O. Let's go to the next one. And this is the long O, as in ooh, 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 Moon. Moon. Here it's longer. Moon. So I'll say the words and you repeat after me. Moon. Moon. Spoon. Spoon. Food. Let's say it again. Let's start again. Moon. Spoon. Food. Yeah? Okay. So let's say these words together. The short ooh. The short ooh. Let's say these words together. Here we go. I'll say it. You repeat. Book. Foot. Look. Say this with me. Uh. Now the long ooh. Ooh. Say that. Ooh. Ooh. Moon. Spoon. Food. You hear it? It's totally different sound if you really listen carefully. So the short is book. The long is ooh, moon. It's cool. Okay, very good. Okay, I'll say a word, you repeat it. Here we go. You ready? Book. Moon. Good. All right. I think the sounds of the language are really fun. I always think of when you guys, whenever I use the RR in Spanish, like in Herrera, right? R, and I always say Herrera, that's a name, right? And students always say, no, teacher, that's not right. That's not right. It's Herrera. I can't even do it. It's too hard to do. But you hear it because you know it so well. It's your language, right? But for me, I'm like, which one? One R, two R's? Aren't they all R? And you say, no, teacher, no, they're not all the same. This is very similar to this, book and moon. Yeah, it's very fun to learn these things, though, I think. Thank you very much. Love you guys. Bye-bye.